What's up? My name is Percy Mescuddy. Most people call me Zosh. Some people call me Oscar from Shark Tale. And I pledge allegiance to the bag. Man, I took like a cool little 3-day vacation from daily uploading. And man, it felt good. I'm not gonna lie, it felt great to just not make any videos. It felt great to just be a bum without being a bum, but actually being a bum, partaking in bum activities. I had to drop my gearbox to get in the Integra because, well, I thought I fixed the issue, but I didn't. But if you follow me on Instagram, then you know what was up. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, then what are you doing, bro? Like, I don't understand. Like, if I'm not uploading, I'm on Instagram uploading. You know what I mean? Come stuff me over there. I'm booming. Been daily driving old crusty rusty for the past week, 2 weeks now. My poor RSX is broken. But she shall be fixed once I get back from Louisiana. To kick off this video with some cool stuff, we got an unboxing from, we have a package from the homies over at NPC. Sort of like a welcome to the team package. And we're gonna open this John up and I'm gonna give you guys all the details once it's all opened up. So cool little unboxing, you know what I mean? I wasn't too far off, but I was off. Bounce to the left and see the shoulder lean, man. I'm cleaning these bitch. I was gone for a minute, but I'm back now. Let's see what we got up in here, Playboy. Let's see what it is. So here we have NPC driver program type package deal. We'll see what's all that's in this John. Oh, welcome to the official NPC Motorsport driver program. Got a koozie up in this John. Billet coin. Oh wow, that's dope. Have like a NPC billet coin type thing right here. Nah, I mean. Woo. You earn them. Like you earn like coins and something. You can redeem them. That's pretty damn dope. Okay, NPC. Okay. Let's read what this be about. Dear Zosh, we're excited to announce the release of the new NPC driver program. This is similar to a loyalty program where every $1 spent on NPCmotorsport.com earns you 2 billet coins. Members can cash in their billet coins for discount and even free products. That's gas. Once you join, you'll receive a personalized referral code that you can share with your friends and family. Followers, they'll get $5 off the first order and you'll get 250 billet coins added to your account. It's absolutely free to join and all driver program members will have access to the exclusive welcome box for just $1 shipping. This box includes a limited edition t-shirt, bottle opener, koozie, and decal on your very own billet coin medallion while supplies last. Check out the NBC website for all the details and join today. Hey, join up! You heard me, bro. You heard me just spit the gospel to y'all. What are y'all doing? Click on that. No. Don't click off yet. But click the first link down in the description box below after you watch this video. Let's peep the drip. Ooh, got our bottle opener. Let's peep the drip of the shirt. I like the color that they go with. Oh, that's fresh. And this is the bag. It's a dope colorway, dog. So yes, join up while supplies last. The NPC driver program. Bro, it says you get the welcome box for just $1 plus shipping. Bro, you get a shirt, a bottle opener, a koozie, and a decal. And your very own billet coin, Playboy, for just $1 plus shipping. Bro, NPC be looking out. That's why I like NPC, dog. They're like customer friendly. You know what I mean? Like they ain't trying to hurt your pockets. You get dope ass product for an affordable price. And they do stuff like this, like, bruh. Love y'all, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all. Love you, boo. Promo time! We have met up with the infamous Jaquan. Oh, you look so handsome.
Thank you. I try.
Hey, bro, your trying works. So what we're gonna do right now is some promo shots of the new windbreakers and the duffel bags with the Zosh MFG Passion Breeze quality logo on that side and the worldwide logo on that side. So now we come to the trusted place where everyone takes their pictures because it's local and, you know, it's just a picture with the Flow Jaquan. Hey, man. Beast, bro. Beast. I'm probably gonna drop these before. I probably dropped these on Black Friday. But then Randy was like, well, if you drop them on Black Friday, you might gotta put them on a deal.
How about you drop it on Black Friday? Sell it for the price you planned on, but just put a different price that's higher and make it seem like it's a deal.
Genius. I'm including all that in the vlog too. That's what companies do and y'all buy that.
That's what they are.
Yeah, you feel me? So
Raise the price and then discount the raise price.
that's it. There we go. Wow. Marketing 101 by yours truly, JBtuned Coilovers. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. Doo 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 doo. So it is indeed the next day, and I'm still shooting on manual mode on accident. But bro, let me tell you how I almost ruined my weekend plans with hybrid. Oh, they don't even know this. So I was at my desk, right, and I was like, man, I gotta shoot this X-Star video promo. So I shot the video. Some told me, yo, look at your license. I look at my license. It's expired. And if you don't know, you cannot fly in the United States of America without a valid license ID identification card or whatever. So I quickly realized that I need to, you know, validate this damn license or like renew it. I go online to the DMV, try to make an appointment. Everything is booked until December 3rd and so on and so forth of that month. So I had to call in a favor. I really didn't call in no favor. I just called the DMV and told them my story. I'm like, look, man, I'm very sorry. I made a mistake. I didn't know my license was expired. I did not know my license was expired, even though I got pulled over like a week ago. But we ain't gonna talk about that. So I called the DMV and blah, 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 blah. They said, yo, you got like 30 minutes, pull up. I pulled up and I got my new license, playboy. Oh. Wow. I want to give a huge shout out to this man right here, dog. My man Sammy came clutch with an LS cluster that works on the car. This is actually not the cluster, it's actually in the car right now, but it works. I have a working cluster in the Integra. Thank God. I told y'all it had nothing to do with fuses and nothing like that. Hey bro, y'all might think I'm incompatible or I'm like not mechanic savvy or bro, I know how to check all the bases. Before I hit y'all with my problems, I make sure I can self-diagnose them first. And if I can't, maybe somebody can help me. You feel me? Now this is how loved I am because I also have another cluster. This came from the homie Spartan. This is a GSR cluster. This man blessed me with this, John. And we're gonna see if it works. If it works, then I have two clusters just in case, because you know me, bro. You never know, bro. In case the homie might need one, I have one on standby. And that's just how we pay it forward, man. Like, somebody helps me. If I can be in a position to help them, I'll do the same thing. And, you know, now that I have two clusters, hopefully this one works. You know, I'll be able to help somebody else out who needs help, like how I be needing help. You know what I mean? That's what we're here for, dog. We're here to help each other, man. I wish most people would see it that way instead of trying to use everything as like, goddamn, like, oh, bro, like, blah, blah, blah. Like, bro, just help somebody. If you can help somebody, help them. You know what I mean? That is not, that only makes you better. It doesn't ruin anything. Thing still even has the harness intact. That is nuts. Alright, well. I can already tell this is not gonna work. The fuel was not in the right location. The fuel's over here on this one. Yeah, I'll have to swap. In order to make this work, I'll have to swap I got an extra thing of harnesses though. But here we have another GSR cluster. I have two GSR clusters, two LS clusters. I am now calling myself the Cluster King. That's my name. Nice to meet you. Pause. I also received some attachments today for my GoPro, man. I bought some ND filters for it, and I also bought this hat clip. Now, I am going to have the best POV videos. Like, y'all know, like, y'all ever watch a POV video and it looks like this? Like, the camera is aimed down, but not like centered. Like, my eyes are like this, but the camera's like this. You know what I mean? Fixing that with that right there. And also, if I ever have overexposed clips, got the ND filter. So, I'm gonna shoot probably a POV video today so I can have a daily upload for tomorrow. So, yeah, that's how we rockin', playboy. Look how beautiful that is. fucking gauges again. Oh, and for the 1900th time, I know I'm gonna get asked, Zosh, where is the digital dash? Why you sold the digital dash? What was wrong with it? And for the millionth time, there was nothing wrong with my dash. My WireWare dash worked perfectly fine. The only reason I sold it was to upgrade to the AIM dash for more data. I want to take my driving more serious. I need more data to accommodate that. That's why I did it. Watch the next video. Someone's still gonna ask me, yo Zosh, why you sold it, bro? I don't understand. Bro, this vlog, I'm very sorry for this vlog. I'm filming right now. Yeah, I just want to say I'm sorry for this vlog. I'm sorry. I hope you enjoyed watching it though, but I'm sorry. Let me tell you what I learned how to do 2 days ago. I learned how to make eggs. Scrambled eggs. Look, I thought I knew how to do it, but I didn't. So I go on my YouTubes, search up how to make eggs, scrambled eggs. And I watch this chick make eggs. It's a minute-long video. And ever since then, I've been eating eggs every day. It's life, you feel me? Gotta eat, son. If you had to choose blueberry or chocolate, that will determine the type of person you are. Bro, my hairline receding. Check me out, bro. Check your boy out, son. I do this, bro. Self-sufficiency. I do this. Look at him, bro. Look at my eggs, dog. Yeah. I should have made it on that pan so I could have all them eggs in there, you heard? I'm the egg master. Yo, Zosh, bro. Nah, I mean, self-sufficient. Y'all ladies out there with dudes who can't even make oodles and noodles, get you a man to make eggs. Scrambled. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Little protein. Nah, I mean. All right, where my steroids at? I chose blueberry. Blueberry fire. Y'all remember in high school, or maybe elementary school, I can't remember, where you told a girl she had a blue waffle, you can get suspended? That's it for this vlog. I know you're disappointed. Hell, I'm disappointed for you. But that's okay. I'm gonna be very transparent with y'all right now. Outros suck, bro. I really put a lot of nothing into these outros. And like, I just want to be able to be like, that's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. But I can't. I always gotta like close it out. Like I'm Rev Run sitting in a bathtub. Nah, it's okay. I ain't gonna do that. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, please leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. And also, make sure to click those links down in the description box below. Alright. I'm gonna with you.